Hi, and welcome to another great session. My name is Mark, and I'd like to show you on how we tackle the Git project. So, um, first of all, I just want to do something here. I just want to show you because I think there were a lot of people who have difficulty getting the personal tokens, and it's going to disturb you. It's going to bring problems when you further the project. So once you create a grid, I think step 0 is okay. Step 1, well, go to GitHub, go to settings, maybe go to settings, then go to developer settings, and this is where we get the tokens. So you see, I already have a token, and it's working really well for me, and I hope it does for you. So once you generate a new token, I think you can follow it, you update your file, your profile. I think that's from the internet. Okay, then after you're done, I think I'm going to paste a link whereby you are able to see how the steps of doing this. I think I should go to a more complex place, which is coding. So I don't think I can do number 1 because I think it's quite easy. Number 2 is really easy, but I think I should do it because, as you can see, I was able to tackle it really well, and I'd like to show you how. So it's in a closed state. Let me just reload. Sorry. So once I reload, it says that we have an entry project directory and any, but the main thing here is to inside the, this is a directory which is inside the repository ALX Precos. So what we are gonna do is we create these directories: bash, C, and J. Those are the only directories which are supposed to be in your directory. So what we're gonna do is, let me just get into my repository. Then inside I'm going to do 0x01. I already created it, so it's quite easy for me. So once I list, you can be able to see that I have all the 3 repositories which are needed for this question. So we're going to do empty files. So inside C we have 1 file. So inside C we do cdc to enter into the file, then list. As you can see, I have this file, and I have generated it by doing it by touching. Touch C is fun. Just like that. .c. Don't forget it. So that's how you create a file normally. And once you're done with that, you can go back, since you're in the C repository, in the C directory. So we do cd, we go back. Now we're in the 0x01 git directory. What we're going to do next is create files in JS, which are main.js and index.js. You can create these files when you're here, but I think it's better if you do it when you're already in the file in the directory itself. So we do cd.js. So once you do that, you're in JS, and let me list. And as you can see, I have main.js and index.js. So I already created these ones, as you can see, as you had seen previously. I already finished this project, and now it's just giving you something to show you. Yeah. So I think this is where the tricky part is. So create a file in bash, and the file is ALX, and in ALX we should have 2 lines, hashtags and exclamation bar. You know that thing. This is the first line. This is the content of the first line, and this is the content of the second line. So let me just show you. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you this, but I'm going to show you this one. Take this as something just to boost you. So I think if I'm able to do this one, you're able to do the one on top. So let's go to the bash school, the school file. So we're in bash, and I want to open the school file. So I do vi school. So this gives me access to see what is inside. Yeah. So this gives me access to see what's inside, and as you can see, I've already done it, but in a different way, since the question skip. The next question tends to modify this file. So this is how the next question is going to be, to modify this. So as I was talking about, this is going to be the first line, and as you can see, this is what I did, and this is vi. I'm using Vim. That's what I'm good at. I don't use Emacs. And for those who are doing Emacs, the content is the same. Actually, it's just how you input and how you do it, which is different, but at the end you're going to get the same thing. So I type insert by I, so that I can be able to move. So you're going to modify it by doing echo school, right? Echo school. This is how you just copy, and then you just paste. You can paste it, but I don't want to interfere with this. So once you're done, you just escape, then :WQ to just save it, and you're out. The next thing that we're going to do is to add these new files to Git. That is after you're done with this. This is what I wasn't going to do, but since I've done the one below, I think you're able to get the loop, the how we're doing this thing. So add these new files to Git. We use git add. We use the command git add, and then you put a full stop if you want to add everything generally. But if you want to put a specific file, you're going to use git add, then the name of the file. So you have to commit to